In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove drop content blocks in Mailchimp. This quick guide will help you clean up your email templates efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned Mailchimp user or just getting started, knowing how to remove unnecessary blocks can make your email layout more professional and easier for your audience to navigate. Let's get initiated. Firstly, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you're already familiar with this process, it should be straightforward, but if it's your first time, make sure you have your login credentials ready. Mailchimp is quite user-friendly, and once you're logged in, the dashboard provides a clear overview of your current campaigns, subscriber lists, and more. Now, once you're logged in, navigate over to the campaign section. Take a moment to locate the particular email you want to work on. You'll notice all your previous campaigns listed there, so it's relatively easy to find the one you want to edit. Click on that specific campaign to open it up. After your campaign is open, you're going to look for the Edit Design button. Clicking this will introduce you to Mailchimp's drag and drop editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize your email exactly how you envision it. This editor is central to modifying the design and layout of your email, providing a wide array of features for crafting visually engaging and coherent emails. As you're in the editor now, your next task is to inspect your email for any unused content blocks or empty placeholders. Take a careful look through your email design. These placeholders or content blocks are spaces in your email template that may not be necessary, and cleaning these up can make your email appear more streamlined and less cluttered. When you identify a content block that you want to remove, simply hover over it. You'll see some options appear, one of which includes a trash icon. This icon represents the delete function. Clicking this trash icon will effectively remove the selected content block from your email design. It's as easy as that, but it's an essential step for ensuring that your email only contains relevant content. By following these steps, you're optimizing your email not just aesthetically, but also ensuring that it functions well across various devices. Remember, a clean email layout is crucial for maintaining reader engagement and highlighting the key messages you want to convey. I hope you found this guide helpful, providing you with a clearer pathway to crafting more professional and effective emails with Mailchimp. Take these tips and apply them to your next email campaign to see the difference in presentation and readability. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our guides for additional tips and tricks.